friendos, we are back with our last day in Berlin. We actually went to Charlottenberg Palace on this day and got to see all of these amazing, beautiful things. This is another spot in Berlin that was really heavily bombed, but some of this stuff was original, some of it was reconstructed and put back together. They had a lot of pictures of this palace, so a lot of the things that were reconstructed were done by really detailed pictures, so it still had a lot of its original splendor. I love that this castle was made by a king for his queen, Queen Charlotte, hence the name Charlottenburg. This wallpaper was absolutely incredible. And so much of it was beautiful ceilings, beautiful wallpaper, beautiful furniture. This was actually not a clock. It was meant to tell the king which way the wind was blowing, which I thought was really interesting and very unique. This room was crazy. It was the porcelain room, and this family specifically, and Germans in general, I don't know what this was, they were really obsessed with Asian culture. So they loved like Asian antiquities, so this entire room was all just Asian stuff. And then they said that when they built their chapel, because they were Protestant, they didn't want to be as ostentatious as Catholics, so this was kind of the understated chapel, personal chapel they built in their palace. I'm absolutely obsessed with chandeliers, and this one was beautiful. The light is flickering for some reason. I think it's just the way the camera was filming, but look how pretty it is. And it was such a beautiful day. The gardens were gorgeous. I did find a lot of places we went, a lot of the gardens were kind of under construction, probably because it's summertime. So you'll see probably in a lot of my upcoming pictures, like construction-y things. But we took a little stroll around the gardens, and then we happened to stumble upon this mausoleum. Was also built for a queen by her king. So the queen, the king, and both of their children are in this tomb. There's only 4 people, bodies, royals, that are in here. It was actually, it started getting warm, and it was so nice and cool in here. This is silk paper wall things. This room used to be the library, and they didn't reconstruct it, hence my angry face, because I wish they had have reconstructed it back to its former glory. This was a painting that was never meant to be seen besides the royals, so I thought that was very scandalous. And this was the library that was reconstructed. This was on the other side of the palace. And hey, there's my husband being a little jerk and sneaking into my pictures. This ballroom was incredible. I took so many pictures because we're going to do some stuff in our house that is kind of dedicated to it. And I love how these palaces are all walk-through palaces. So it's like you can just keep going and going and going, and it never ends. And here's James and I. This was actually a backdrop, so it looks like we're in there, but we're not actually. But don't tell anybody because it'll be our little secret. After the palace, we went and had lunch at this little German place across the street from the palace. It was very good. It was very hot in here. Nobody has air conditioning in Europe. But I had my first pork schnitzel, and I also had this little sour beer, which was absolutely delicious. And the schnitzel was so good. It came with this lemon sauce. And yeah, stay tuned for more.